So guys, if you are coming across this channel for the first time, this is Johnny for Price Editors. This is where I share premium videos where you can earn money for free and with a little amount investment and skills that can pay you for life. So if you are just joining us, please click on the notification bell. Okay, like this, subscribe to our channel. This is where we give value. Okay, there are a lot of videos. As you can see, 64 videos. There are videos that can fetch you cool money freely and different skills that you can imbibe on. All right, so I want to show us what we have been doing so far and where people have been making cool money so far. Yeah, many of us know about this app Palmpay app. Okay, I know some of us are using it, okay, but we are not using it to the best knowledge. Okay, so before I do, let me just show you some of the comments that I have. Let me just go to my let me show some of the comments that I have. All right, so let's see what happens. Okay, I have a friend. Okay, I have this guy that say, "I'm telling you to do Palmpay. You don't want." He did not believe, but after seeing some things, he believed. After he earned the money, he himself believed that it. As you can see, this is another person. Okay, this is another person received 22K from Palmpay. Okay, he did not believe, but after he tried it out, he come to confess. I just show me evidence. This is the evidence. 22,000 naira. It was 10K before, it was 20K this year, and now it is 22K. Okay, Palmpay have regulation from CBN so that they can update their database, so that they can increase their database. People that register should be able to connect well. What are you trying to say? Palmpay is giving out free money. As you can see, they are giving out free money. Okay, let me show you what I've earned so far. Let me show you my account so far for this June. Okay, I think they stopped last month. They resume back again this June. For this June, let me see. Okay, for this June, how much have okay? All right, June 10. Then I should have another one here. Let's just see. Let's just follow. This is one referral. This is one. Okay, let's see another one. Let's see if we have another one. Okay, guys, I've made more than 120K from this update. Okay, this is another one. I've made more than 120K from this update. Guys, wake up. This is another one. Okay, for this month alone. Let me show you June. This is June. Okay, they stopped last month. Let me show you. I think is it last month they stopped. Let me show you April. Let me show you April. April it was 20,000 naira during April. Can you see? Referral bonus. April it was 20,000 naira. Okay, count it to. This is another one. April. Okay, this is another one I received in April. I think I started around this time. April. Okay. So that was the amount I have. That was 20,000 naira 3 times, 22,000 naira 3 times. Multiply it and tell me the amount. Those are the amount I've made from this update. This update is very easy for you. Even I'm going to show you something as old users. Okay, you can refer old users and you get paid. Yeah, you can refer old users. People that know me know that. Okay, I discovered that myself. So what do you need to do? Okay, can you see it? They even give us. Okay, not everybody have this thing like this. Yeah, can you see N big, N 22,000 naira? Okay, it's there. They know my account. All right. So just click on win big. Click on win big. Once you have an account, if you don't have an account, don't worry. I've dropped the link for you to, okay, because you have to use somebody's link for you to just get there. Okay, people that have been giving the money, can you see? They have the money with them. Okay, so this is it. This is where you see you have 3 days to do this thing. All right, so once you are able to reach 22,000, what you just do, they refer. It's a referral contest. So they say they don't know how to refer. There's no business in this world that does not need referral. Every business is based on referral contest. All right. So you click on withdraw. If you tell you that you have 23 naira 22 kobo to withdraw, how do you do that? Just refer 5, 4, 6, 7. They are the one that will decide on which one to refer. Okay. And once you refer, the thing will be dropping here. All right. I should be able to give you some of the things that I use to refer my people. Okay. So 20,000 naira 3 times, that is almost 60K. 20,000 naira 3 times, that is almost more than 120,000 I've earned freely without doing anything special. Just inviting friends, old friends. You can invite them. As I promised to show you how you can invite old friends. Okay, so if you don't have this app, or you have this app, because this thing varies. This thing varies, okay? If you are old user, they might tell you that you need 10 referrals to withdraw, okay? But fresh new account, you can have 3 accounts on Palmpay, okay? So fresh new accounts, they can easily register, and within 5 referrals you can get your money. So register, use the link I've dropped, register. If you are old user, just let me know. There's a way you can register until it will count for your referrals, okay? So how do you refer? How do you refer? How do you refer? People have been shouting, go to Facebook, type it there. There are some things you need to join on Facebook. Join those section on Facebook. Let me show you one. Let me show you one. You can join some section on Facebook. You can just section on Facebook, okay? You just type it there, okay? Can you see? Make money online, online money making, online business, okay? There are more that you can join online. Join them, paste it there. That we want to earn, okay? I've done one. Let me see if you can see I can see my own, okay? I have a lot of people from this place just posting my result, okay? Just by posting my result, they came in masses, okay? Old users, I converted them to new users. These are the things you can do, okay? So go to there, go to so many places that you can make money, and you can surely make money. Money plenty for this internet, okay, guys? So if you have gotten value, don't forget to click on the notification bell, okay? Subscribe to this channel, okay? Join my group for giveaway, cash giveaway, and a lot of freebies. If you like, you can do the 10K. There is 10K also. Yes, I just saw it now. There is 10K also. That one you just need like 2 users, 4 users. For 2 users, you will draw 4K. For 4 users, you will draw 6K. For 6 users, you will draw 10K. Okay, you have it plenty. Okay, Palmpay, can you see people are making money? Palmpay is giving us money. Okay, and there are some sites that you can just go. You can just drop your link there. Okay, but they will charge you. Okay, so but if you don't want to be charged, go to Instagram. Just post it there. People who are looking for means to make money, show them that you have a means for them to make money, and they will rush you. Believe me. Okay, so guys, that is the update. If you have seen something special, just drop a comment. If you have any question, comment, and I'll answer you speedily. See you guys in the next video.